Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. Want to show you up close and personal some of these plates and the entire set here from Amazon. These just are elegant, high quality, and they're just really nice. So let me show you what I like most about these. Now, first off, a great finish on them. See that gloss finish? That's going to make a real difference. Also, they're intelligently designed with a nice lip so stuff isn't falling off of your plate onto the ground, just a little raise on them. Now, what I like most about the bowls is some of the more ceramic or terracotta type bowls, I'm not sure, like the thicker ones, the bowl's going to heat in the microwave. This is a perfect bowl for putting in the microwave. Also, all the dishes are microwave safe. Some of those thicker plates, they're going to absorb too much heat and they're going to come out of the microwave hot. These, not only are they microwave safe, but they don't come out too hot. Now, they come in a variety of colors and shapes, and I just picked up these ones. I like them. They were kind of the best seller of the bunch. I like the black and white, but again, that gloss and the color is dishwasher safe. Now, for me, this is the perfect size plate for a full meal. And if you put everything on the inside, it keeps you from overeating your portions, you know? Now, you can have things obviously hanging off in a big thing of mashed potatoes on the side, but just a little bit right here is going to be perfect for me. Now, there are 6 bowls. You see them up close. Six plates. This is considered like a salad plate, the smaller plate here. But yeah, Amazon Basics, really making high quality stuff and just a beautiful, beautiful setup. Now, let me go ahead, change the angle around and give you a little bit more look at this. Now, something else that I really like about these is if you're cutting food, it's not making a big scraping noise. You know, some plates can be really annoying because it's like nails on a chalkboard. These have that gloss surface on them to where you're not going to have to worry about the exact sound. There'll be a ting, but there won't be nails on a chalkboard type of sound. And that's going to make a real difference for a lot of us. You don't want the most annoying dishes where it's just screeching throughout the meal. You want gentle chings, and that's about it. So that's a nice aspect as well. Also, for you formal diners, this lines up very nicely there. You can keep your dishes at the appropriate, you know, was this 12 and 3? You can keep your silverware there, and it looks nice. Now, as place setting goes, there's one for everyone. Corner spot right now, but we'll show you. Let's back out. And that's essentially a nice looking way to show your dishes. Beautiful, stylish, sophisticated. Amazon has thought of it all, and with Amazon Prime, you know all the benefits of Amazon Prime. Ultimately, they're just a good-looking plate. No matter what you put on them, whether it's your dinner, your Christmas cookies, your St. Patrick's Day cookies, they just look good. Just a splash almost looks like somebody drizzled chocolate, you know, like at a fancy restaurant, and just a good-looking plate. Like I said, benefits are that gloss enamel really, really protects the plate and looks nice. They don't easily chip or break, which is a big thing for a lot of folks if you've got kids. The bowls are great for the microwave. In fact, the plates are also great for the microwave. And they're not so big that they don't fit in your dishwasher. And that was an issue with the plates I bought last time, is they wouldn't fit in my dishwasher. So many benefits. Pick the design that's best for you. I like this little black and white design. You get 6 of each item, 6 place settings, and I think you're gonna dig it. So go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you products we own, we love, and we think you're gonna love. Well, guess what? I own it, I love it, I think you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, and adios amigos.